honey?
I'm gonna go home and maybe Papa's house, Mommy. I can't swim.
You like swimming?
Golden.
You like swimming there? Yeah? Are you so cute? Look at your rosy cheeks. How are they so rosy?
In Papa's house.
Oh,
How are they so
it's too
rosy?
cold, baby.
You got such rosy little cheeks. You're so cute. Your cheeks are so cute. Yeah. I love your rosy cheeks.
Yeah.
You little baby. You cute little eyebrows.
No.
You have cute little eyebrows. Yeah. You have a cute little nose. Cute little lips.
She's so sweet.
Cute little ears. I wiped your slobber out. That's what I did. You were asking me what I did just now, weren't you? Pearson, please.